Artificial intelligence is changing the world, but not all AI is the same. Machine learning and deep learning are two powerful forces behind AI's evolution. But what's the difference? Which one is more powerful? And where are they used in real life? In this video, we'll break it all down in a simple and exciting way. So, let's dive in. Chapter 1, What is machine learning? Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI that allows computers to learn patterns from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. It uses algorithms to find relationships in data and improve over time. Types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning, where models learn from labeled data. Spam email detection, Netflix recommendations. 2. Unsupervised learning, where the system groups similar data without labels. Example, customer segmentation in marketing. 3. Reinforcement learning, where models learn through trial and error. 3. Example, self-driving cars, AlphaGo beating humans at Go. Chapter 2, What is deep learning? Deep learning is a specialized branch of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks can process large amounts of data and recognize complex patterns without human intervention. How deep learning works. 1. Uses neural networks with multiple layers, hence deep learning. 2. Each layer processes information and extracts features, for example, edges in an image, words in a sentence. 3. The deeper the network, the better it gets at recognizing patterns. Examples of deep learning in action. 1. Face recognition, like in your smartphone. 2. Virtual assistants, like Alexa, Siri. 3. Self-driving cars, Tesla's AI. 4. Medical diagnosis, AI detecting diseases from X-rays. Chapter 3, Key differences between ML and AL. Side-by-side comparison chart, AI applications using both ML and AL. Narration, while ML is great for many applications, deep learning shines when handling complex, high-dimensional data like images, speech, and natural language. Chapter 4, Real-world examples of ML versus AL. Machine learning use cases. 1. Spam filters in email, supervised learning. 2. Product recommendations, Amazon, Netflix. 3. Fraud detection in banking. Deep learning use cases. 1. ChatGPT and AI chatbots, NLP with deep learning. 2. Deepfake videos and AI-generated art. 3. Autonomous drones and robots. Chapter 5, The future of ML and AL. AI is evolving rapidly, and deep learning is pushing boundaries further than ever. With the rise of models like ChatGPT, OpenAI's advancements, and breakthroughs in AI healthcare, we're entering a new era of artificial intelligence. What's next? 1. More powerful AI assistants. 2. AI-generated creativity, music, videos, games. 3. AI-powered automation in industries. 4. Brain-computer interfaces, BCI, with AI integration. Conclusion and call to action. So, what do you think? Will deep learning replace traditional machine learning? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing AI videos. See you in the next one. Let's make this video a hit.